Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. The function b of x equals 7 times x to the power of 6 minus x to the power of 4 plus x squared minus 8. What is the end behavior of b? So let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with highest degree, which is in this case 7x to the power of 6. Now let's understand how the leading term, which is negative 7x to the power of 6, dictates the behavior as x approaches positive infinity and negative infinity. 7x to the power of 6. When I substitute positive for the x, positive to the power of 6, this is going to be positive. 7 times positive is positive. And same thing in here. 7 times negative x to the power of 6 is still positive because the exponent is an even number. It's positive. So as x approaches positive infinity, the function b approaches the positive infinity. As x approaches negative infinity, function b still approaches the positive infinity. Therefore, the correct answer is choice A for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.